On behalf of the government of the Republic of Indonesia, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the government and people of Kenya for hosting this event, and to the Secretariat of UNEP for its excellent organization of UNEA 3. Mr. President, UNEA should send a strong message to the world that a pollution-free planet is possible and will greatly contribute to the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. So, unity is a must. Indeed, collaboration, exclusiveness, and stakeholder participation are keys to the successful elimination of pollution and to the achievement of SDGs. Related to the SDGs, SDG 6, Indonesia has improved our water quality. We have our industrial water efficiency around 492 million metric tons, reduced pollution discharge to 535 million metric tons, and 62% improvement on sanitation access in 2016. Indonesia continues to further reduce 90% domestic wastewater load to attain water quality improvement in 2030. Since 2015, in ensuring the health of the ocean related to SDGs 14, Indonesia has been regarded as one, if not the only, world champion in combating IUU fishing practices. On coral reefs management, Indonesia consistently continues its effort to protect and conserve coral reefs, among others by notably involving local communities, private sectors, and the young generation to replant the coral reefs. Let us put our spirits together to actualize our GPA through IGR4 and GLOC 3, as well as through the 4th OCC, which will take place in Indonesia next year. Indonesia continues to take lead in reducing marine litter, nutrient pollution mitigation, and chemicals. We also implement sustainable solid waste management by adopting circular economy. Indonesia has set up a baseline status to commit to reducing 70% of marine litter by 2025, reducing 30% and handling 70% of domestic solid waste, and have also ratified the Minamata Convention. Mr. President, Indonesia is improving air quality by revising the national ambient standard. Since April 2017, Indonesia has been implementing vehicles emission standard equal to Euro 4. It will reduce 60% of sulfur in urban areas by 2050. On haze pollution, we have succeeded in reducing haze, which affects neighboring countries, down to 0 day in 2017 as compared to 24 days in 2015. This achievement has been acknowledged by Prime Minister Najib Razak in Kuching, Malaysia on November 22 this year. Furthermore, Indonesia has successfully managed its peatlands by restoring 680,000 hectares of peatlands from our target of 2 million hectares by 2020. Thus, it will contribute to the accomplishment of our NDC to reduce 20% of carbon emission in 2030 by our own efforts. Mr. President, while maintaining a common but differentiated responsibility principle towards a pollution-free planet, a strengthened international cooperation and global partnership in reducing and eliminating global pollution is indeed required. In this regard, Indonesia stands ready to assist other developing countries through South-South and triangular cooperation in agriculture, forestry, and coastal area management. To conclude, I would like to remind us all that our action today will be judged by our future generation. So let us unite to make our planet pollution-free. I thank you, Mr. President.